Hey guys, welcome back to Edutech Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773. So in this video I'm gonna show you how construction buff works of capital, and you can also have VIP construction buff. Like I am on VIP 10, so you can have VIP 10's exclusive 40% construction speed up. You can purchase 30 days or 7 days 24 hours VIP with your diamonds. Right now I have used 30 days and still it has 6 days, so I can use that buff to get my construction speed up plus 40%. And right now I have uh, applied for construction buff in here. Like you can see, I am next. After 3 minutes I'll have access to 50% construction speed up for that. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Just apply there and make sure you have VIP activated for the construction, and make the preparations for that, like all the resources etc. So you can see I'm gonna take up role of secretary of development after 2 hours. So I'm gonna like upgrade first tech center in here. So you can see uh, original time is 68 days, but because of VIP I got 36 days. And after I get a secretary of development buff from capital, it will be also decrease to like 20 days or something. So let's wait for the buff to get applied, and I will uh, start the construction after it, so I can make the construction in less time than normal players. Okay, so let's wait. So I need to upgrade any tech center and drill ground up to 29 levels to achieve 30 HQ. I'm at 29 right now, so I'm gonna upgrade this one first with my normal builder, and I will buy a second builder for 500 diamonds to upgrade the first tech center, so I can uh, update or upgrade uh, drill ground to 29 with free one. Okay, so we are about to get the buff from capital. So let's see. 13, 12. So it's smart choice if you don't have those extra builders, so you can use your diamonds to get the second builder for 2 hours and use it. So you can see I am now having buff secretary of development construction 50%. So first I'm gonna upgrade this, and boom, with your alliance help you can also reduce the time. And the second one, you can see now it's lower to 29 day from 36, 38, whatever was that. So I'm gonna get those 500 diamonds in use, and boom, it reduces way much time to upgrade, and it's very much helpful when you upgrading your HQ or bigger buildings. So I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.